Okay, folks, so welcome to our recent trade of Box Inc., symbol BOX, NYSE traded stock. Let's go over first the reason why. Why did we trade BOX? Why did we get involved? It was in a trading range for quite some time. It had broken out back in March. It had reported disappointing earnings, fell back into that trading range. This was a breakout point failure. You could have traded this range any number of times. We did break out in mid-June, failed, rolled back over once again. So we have a history of this stock failing to hold on to its breakout. So caution flag was on the track. The 24th of June, the stock gapped up once again. We took a risk, and it was a fairly large risk, and I'll tell you why. Because there were a number of variables at play. One, Box had, as I mentioned before, failed to hold this breakout point on at least two separate occasions. Secondly, when you took a look at the XLK, which is the Technology Select Sector Fund, you could see that we were making lower highs. And on the day that BOX had broken out, the XLK was flashing a bearish key reversal, which saw a follow-through to the downside. Then when you take a look at the IWM, which is the Russell 2000, you could see that we were coming off of this overbought condition. We were dancing on top of the Bollinger Band, very close to the third standard deviation Bollinger Band, and ripe for a pullback. I sent out commentary to my members, beware of the Russell 2000, get ready for a pullback. Sure enough, we got it. So we knew that there was weakness in the technology sector. We knew that there was weakness in the small cap arena. And also take a look at the semiconductor sector. On the 24th, we were breaking down. So when we take a look at BOX, we knew that after we had shown a fast profit, we identified the fact that the other sectors and indexes of which it was a part of were breaking down, or at least overbought and ripe for a pullback. Therefore, when I saw this fast profit at a resistance level, and I knew that there would be sellers up at that resistance level at the 1950 level, we booked our profits, 4.5% profits within 24 hours. And you could see that while we could have made a few extra pennies by holding overnight, really the risk to reward was not worth it. First out, best out. We booked our profits, moved to the sidelines. Great trade. Congratulations to members. And now we're looking for our next excellent setup. Everybody have a great 4th of July weekend. I have more of these recent trades coming out in the coming days. Way behind with these, so please continue to check your email, and I will talk to you soon. Be well, folks.